How to redeem Minecraft Java gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can redeem the gift card for your Minecraft Java edition, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your Minecraft Java gift card, all you have to do is just open up your browser, whether you're using on PC or whether you're actually using on mobile. Wherever you are, just open up your browser and then you simply want to go to minecraft.net. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. And once you go to minecraft.net, if you are on PC, you will see an option on the top right hand side, but if you are on mobile, just click on the three lines icon on the top left hand side, and at the bottom you'll find the option called redeem. Right, just tap on this little redeem button. Now when you go to redeem, there are different types of cards that you can redeem, but in order to redeem the Java edition, just scroll down and then here you'll find redeem Minecraft Java edition. So just tap on this option, that is redeem Java edition, and when you tap on redeem Java edition, it will just take you to a page to sign in with your Microsoft or your Mojang account. So just go ahead and sign in with your account over here. When you sign in with your account, it will take you to a page basically where you can simply go ahead and then simply enter all of those codes that you have. So given an option, you can see gift code option, right? Just go ahead and make sure to enter your gift card code and then tap on redeem, and your Minecraft Java gift card will be successfully redeemed. That's all it takes to redeem your Minecraft Java edition gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.